It happened day after day, week after week, month after month, decade after decade. Unrelenting torment. When a child spoke up, they weren't believed, and the crimes continued with impunity. One survivor told me that when he told a teacher of his abuse, that teacher then became his next abuser. Trust broken, innocence betrayed, power and position exploited for evil, dark crimes. A survivor named Faye told the Royal Commission, "Nothing takes the memories away. It happened 53 years ago and it's still affecting me." I also met with a mother. I met a survivor named Anne, said, "My mother believed them rather than me." But I also met with a mother whose 2 daughters were abused by a priest the family trusted. Suicide would claim one of her 2 beautiful girls, and the other lives under the crushing weight of what was done to her. As a father of 2 daughters, I can't comprehend the magnitude of what she has faced. Not just as a father, but as a Prime Minister, I am angry too at the calculating destruction of lives and the abuse of trust, including those who have abused the shield of faith and religion to hide their crimes, a shield that is supposed to protect the innocent, not the guilty, and they stand condemned.